Placing reference planes. What we need to do now is go back to our ground floor level view. It is always good practice to have already placed all your floor levels down first before you start putting your reference planes, mainly because the reference planes will only go up to the extent of the existing levels, which means that if you have another 20 levels to place, you might have to stretch each reference plane to get up to the higher or the new levels. Okay, now we're on the ground floor level. How we know that is this is now in bold, which means that that's the view that we have in the document window. So best thing to do is to place your reference planes in between the elevation marks, so it's in the middle. So we go back to the Home tab and the Home ribbon. So this is the Home ribbon, and the reference plane is actually right at the right hand end. So let's open that up, click on that little down symbol and select Draw Reference Plane. Again, we just pick a point and pick the next point, and then pick another point. So this is placing the vertical reference planes, and to do it horizontally, again, you just click on the screen and drag it across, and then click again. This is using the the left click. Once you place your 4 reference planes, you can now use the dimension tool to adjust the spacing. So annotate, so we go to Annotate tab, select Align Dimensions, pick the first line and pick the second line, and then just pick anywhere to place the dimension. Let's zoom in and have a look at what we've got. So we've got 110, so 11,000 by 11,000. That's pretty good. Now, what we want is we want it to be 6,800 by 6,800. And to do that, so if I want to change the dimension in Revit, what I do is for horizontal dimensions, I need to select vertical elements. So I'm going to change this dimension here, but first I need to select the element, not try to edit it by pointing to the text. So I select the vertical reference plane, and once I've selected that, which means that I'm actually moving this object, I can now point to the dimension, click on it, and type in a new dimension. 6800. Okay, and same thing for the horizontal. So if I want to move a horizontal reference plane, I select the reference plane first before I go and change dimension. Now what I've done is I've placed the reference planes in the right position. You can actually move it about if you like. I'm going to use a crossing window to select my reference planes. You will also notice once I've done that, the section line is also selected as well. So I don't really want to move my section line. So basically what I need to do is hold the Shift key down, and you'll notice there's a minus sign comes onto your arrow, your selection arrow. Now you can pick the section line, and it would have deselected that. Now what I can do is I can just drag the selected objects into position if that's where I want them.